In our last video, we visited the New Mosque and the Rustam Pasha Mosque. Today, we're continuing our journey through Istanbul. Just a short walk away, we've arrived at the entrance of the Egyptian Bazaar, one of the city's most atmospheric and aromatic spots. The Egyptian Bazaar is the second largest covered market in the city, and perhaps the most famous after the Grand Bazaar. Its construction began in 1597 and was completed in 1664 as part of the impressive complex of the New Mosque. Its name, Egyptian Bazaar, comes from the fact that during the Ottoman era, most of the spices and exotic goods from the East entered Istanbul through the port of Egypt. Today, the Egyptian Bazaar is a true paradise for the senses. Here, you can find dozens of spices, hundreds of kinds of Turkish delight, aromatic teas, natural soaps and oils, all sorts of souvenirs and handmade crafts. Colorful glassware, jewelry and accessories, and even clothing. The Egyptian Bazaar is not just a market, it's an immersive cultural experience. It's a small celebration for all your senses and a perfect stop before continuing your journey through Eminönü. Now we're leaving the Egyptian Bazaar and continuing our journey through Istanbul. Up next, we're taking a walk down Büyük Postane Caddesi, also known as Grand Post Office Street. It is a vibrant and photogenic street, famous for its majestic post office building and its lively, timeless energy. Here you can see the impressive building of the main post office. Completed in 1909, it is the largest postal building in Turkey. It was designed by the famous architect Vedat Tek, a pioneer of the first Turkish national architectural movement. The building is a stunning example of Ottoman Revivalism. It features grand pointed arches, Kütahya tilework, and a glass-domed hall filled with natural light. In 2026, the Grand Post Office is still a functioning post office. We keep heading further down the street. The facades along this street feature elegant stonework, arches, and decorative details. This street feels like an open-air gallery of buildings. Unlike the tourist-oriented souvenir streets, many of the shops here cater to locals and small businesses. On both sides, you'll see small cafes, local shops, and charming architectural details. Here is a lovely Art Nouveau building, and even a friendly neighborhood cat enjoying the sun. Next, we turn onto Ibni Kemal Caddesi. This street is narrower and more winding, with a very lively local atmosphere. Cafes, grocery shops, and small bakeries line the road. Here you can also spot a decorative street fountain, adding another touch of old Istanbul charm. This area is full of affordable eateries, and you can easily find something that suits your taste. We visited Büyük Esnaf Lokantası, a traditional Esnaf Lokantası, a type of restaurant serving homemade-style Ottoman dishes. Inside, the atmosphere feels authentic and warm. Large metal trays filled with daily dishes stand behind the glass counter. We continue walking along İbni Kemal Caddesi. You can buy fresh fruits, sweets, or simply enjoy watching more cute street cats relaxing around the shops and doorsteps. The street is filled with small boutique hotels, souvenir shops, and hidden cafes. Many cafes have tiny terraces or tables set right on the cobblestone pavement, perfect for enjoying Istanbul's slow and cozy street life.